Howdy everyone, thank you for joining me. Well, we just dropped off Sea Smash at his sea camp for the week. And so we decided we would go camping ourselves, and we came across this Blue Jay Campground, Cleveland National Forest. It is just so absolutely beautiful going up here. It's just outside this little town called Lake Elsinore. I believe that's how you pronounce it. But anyway, so we decided we'd give it a try, and we drove on our way up there. And as we're driving up, we're getting higher and higher, and I just can't believe it, how high it is and everything. And we're noticing there's all kinds of moisture. Clouds were rolling in. Oh my goodness, you guys, what are we getting into? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Look at this. So spooky. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Ah! Oh man, this is an amazing campground up here in California and Blue Jay Campground. I feel like I'm on top of the world and above, oh no, in the clouds. It's so amazing up here, so beautiful. Absolutely am having the best time so far. Nice little summer camping trip. Son's off at his little camp, sea camp. Just enjoying our time. Come on, boys and girls, let's go. Yeah. Are you guys gonna follow me? Come on, let's go. Let's see what it's about. Hope you guys can see all the moisture. This is so crazy. I feel like I'm in the middle of the clouds. Kind of spooky.
Hey, there's your two babies.
My two babies, huh? Hey, my babies.
Frankie.
No, sorry.
My two babies.
Come on, little stinkers. Gonna slip and fall, man. Crazy. I'm getting all wet. All the moisture. It's just beautiful and peaceful up here, though. Yeah. Get away from the city. The city's only 10 minutes away. Where are you going? Come on. Easy dogs. They're in a hurry to go somewhere. You guys, there's a 50. Okay. Hey, camera. Get back here. I'm talking to you. There's 50 spots. There's 50 camping spots up here. And it's so cool.
Crazy.
Hey, good looking Asian guy. Knock it off. Hope you guys can kind of tell how beautiful this is. Come on, baby. It's actually kind of really cold. Look, I was prepared for the summer. In a tank top. No more, you can't see. Look at this, it's cool. I got my own personal shower. What are you doing? Look at them. Look at the moisture. Look. This is a spider web. Oh. Whoa. So cool. Look at that. That's neat, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That's amazing. Come on. Come on. Okay. Hey, Missy. Come on. She don't want to come. Come on, Daisy. Come on. You're getting soaking wet.